Hello, my name is Deepal and today's video topic is exception handling in Java. The exception handling in Java is one of the powerful mechanism to handle the runtime errors so that the normal flow of the application can be maintained. So in this tutorial we will learn about the Java exception, its types and the difference between checked and unchecked exceptions. So first one, what is the exception in Java? So in a dictionary meaning, exception is a abnormal condition. In Java, an exception is event that disrupt the normal flow of the program. It is an object which is thrown at the runtime. So the exception is the what is exception handling? So exception handling is a mechanism to handle the runtime errors such as a class not found exception, IO exception, SQL exception, remote exception, so etc. So advantages of exception handling is the core advantage of the exception handling is to maintain the normal flow of the application, and exception normally disrupt the normal flow of the application. That's why we need to handle the exception. So uh, uh, in exception handling, there are three types of exception. So there are mainly two types of exception: checked and unchecked. So an error is considered as a unchecked exception. So however, according to Oracle, there are three types of exception, namely. So first one is a checked exception, second one is a unchecked exception, and third one is a exception. So in Java, we can see the difference between the checked and unchecked exception. So first one, checked exception is the class that directly inherit the throwable class interrupt, except runtime exception and error are known as a checked exception. So for example, we take the IO example, exception, SQL exception, etc. So checked exception are checked at the compile time. So in unchecked exception, the class inherit the runtime exception as known as a checked exception. So for example, in checked exception we use to arithmetic exception, null pointer exception, array index out of bound exception, etc. So unchecked exception are not checked at the compile time, but they are checked at the runtime. So in error, we can error is a inconvertible error is a inconvertible. So for example, we take the out of memory error, virtual machine error, and the asynchronous error. So these are the types of error, and all about the exception and exception handling. Thank you so much.